I think there is an opinion that farmers are rich and carefree. They live in a wonderful country world and everything is fine. There are daily pressures that you cannot understand that farmers go through. I mean, when you farm, a lot of times, especially dairy, you are tied 365 twice a day, and that's really hard.
Farmers are 1.5 times more likely to die by suicide than the general population. We found a need through these farmers that were saying, I want support, I'm ready to reach out for therapy, but I want a therapist or mental health professional that knows farming, understands farming, is a farmer.
There is a difference between urban and rural healthcare, and that includes mental health care. And that is something that absolutely needs to be stepped up in the rural area because it is so huge. But to me, I think one of the number one stressors is the financial stress that farmers go through every year.
And so we actually created a course that we teach live where it's 3 different sessions, and the mental health professionals can take each course. And if they take each course, they become Farm Stress Certified is the certificate program. If a farmer comes to us and says, I'm interested in seeking out a provider, a mental health provider, we can say, these are the providers in your area. We can't recommend anybody, but we can say, here's a list of providers that have been Farm Stress Certified. So we're really excited about that.
We always had to tough it out. Oh, you're okay. We're tough. We're farmers. We're farm people. You can tough it out. And that was their philosophy. But times have changed. I mean, it's wonderful to know that somebody cares about you. And if you can reach out to people and they know that you care about them, that certainly is a positive. It's a positive step. I think they've got a long way to go. But at least the conversation is happening.
We currently have over 100 that are completely certified at this point. One of the wonderful things about OSU Extension is that we have an office in every county. So you can go to one of your extension offices in your county, no matter where you live, rural, urban, or suburban, and there is a county location for you to get resources on a variety of different topics. And so we're working really hard all the time to get mental health resources and training and teaching the people that are in those local county offices on, if somebody comes into the office or calls the county office, how to link them to those resources, especially for our rural population, because they are the ones that are most likely to come into that office.
Farmers are very proud people. They want people to believe that they are strong and never feel anxiety. It's shameful for a lot of farmers to admit they have anxiety because they are such proud people. Any weakness at all is very hard for farmers to share, but the best thing to do is to reach out and talk about it.
If you or someone you know is in emotional crisis, call or text 988 or go to chat988lifeline.org anytime for confidential free crisis support.